12 out of the mid now, 12 out of the mid now, 12 5, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, gonna do 13,000, now 13 5, 13 out of the mid now, 13 5, 13 out of the mid now, 13 5, 13 5, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14 5, 14 out of the mid now, 14 5, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
This is lot 297. It's a HAAS Mini Mill number 2. Nice clean machine, year 2013. We'll go ahead and let it cycle for you. Automatic tool changer. Now make sure to take a look at the complete auction. There's a lot of different HAASes in this particular auction, and some might be coming up as well. Let us know what you're looking for. Good luck. Hope you get a great deal.
995, you're at 9, you'll raise your own bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95. Got it. Now 10,000. 10 to the mid, now 10,000. Give me 10. Now 10 5. 10 5 to the mid, now 10 5. 10 to the mid, now 10 5 to the mid, now 10 5. 10 to the mid, now 10 5.